I'm going to show you how to upload PDF files to your website. Let's go to the back end of the website. Let's go to Components, click on it. Come down to the bottom to Explorer, click on it. On the left-hand side, on the directory tree, come down to PDF, click on that folder. This is where you're going to be uploading your file to. So let's go up here to this icon, click on it. It says Upload. Now we come over to Browse, click on Browse. Browse your computer for the file you want. I'm going to choose FireQuire. I'm going to click on it. Remember the file name that you use because you will need to type it in later on. Come down to here, click on Open. Come up here, click on Save. Your file should appear up here. Make sure it is. Now let's go back to Joomla. Next, we're going to create a page. Let's go to Content. Go to Article Manager, click on it. We're not going to actually create a page, we're going to try to find a page. So up in this box here, type in temp and do a search for it. Now all of our journal templates are showing up here. We're going to pick one of those templates, and I'm going to pick journal template number 12. First thing I need to do here is I need to change the editor. This is our editor. Right now it's a very fancy looking thing. It does a lot. And for this to work, what we need to do is come down to the bottom here where it says Editor JCE, change it, click on the arrow, come down to Editor None. Now come up to the top here, refresh the page, and now you see all of that stuff here has disappeared. We are simply working in text now. So the next thing we need to do is rename the file. Let's call it FireQuire Demo. I'll call it FC Demo. Leave the category in the journals. The last thing we need to do is change the file name. This is where the file name becomes very important, that you remembered it. So just cursor over the old file name. Now type in your file name. My file name is FireQuire. And click on Save and Close. Now the next thing and the last thing is to create a menu link for it. So let's go up to Menus. Click on Main Menu. Add New Menu Item. Click Select. We're going to make a menu to a article. Come down to Single Article. Now we have to pick that article out. Let's call it FC Demo. I think that's what we called it. Let's give it a name. FC Demo. I'll click on that. The last thing we want to do is make sure that it goes in the right area on our menu. So we go down to Parent Item. We don't want it to just be sitting out. We want it to be nested underneath our journals. Journals 2015. Click on that. Now we can click Save. I don't need to click Save and Close yet, just to make sure we have it done right. I'll leave it open. Let's go to the front end. Let's click on Home. Refresh the screen. Now let's go over to Newsletters. There's Journals 2015. FC Demo, that's the link we just created. And there is the PDF file we just uploaded.